Hello everyone. Today I want to teach you one simple but powerful skill na very useful for aspiring virtual assistants. You call it workflow rules or Zoho workflows. Kung beginner ka pa, don't worry. Hindi ito complicated. Think of a workflow like this. Kapag nangyari ito, gawin mo ito automatically. Parang AI din siya in a way. You give instruction, then the system follows it. In Zoho CRM, workflows help you automate repetitive tasks. For example, instead of manually reminding yourself to follow up with a lead, Zoho can do it for you. A workflow usually has three parts. First is the trigger. Ito yung event na magsisimula ng automation. Second is the condition. Ito yung rule. And then third will be the action. Ito yung gagawin ni Zoho. So later, we will create a very simple workflow na kahit na wala ka pang experience sa automation, you will be able to do it. So Zoho workflows can include actions like email notification. One example is follow-up, tasks, field updates, webhooks, or custom functions. So, let me show you how to create one. Pagka nasa homepage ka ng Zoho, you just need to go to Setup. Ito, itong gear icon on the upper right side. That's to the left side of your profile picture. And then just go to Automation and then click on Workflow Rules. So after that, just click on Create Rule. Okay. So ano ba yung rule na gagawin natin ngayon? So ang gagawin nating rule ngayon is about registration lead rule. So for example, yung boss mo, ang ang business niya is teaching, and then he needs lead to participate in his master class. So ang gagawin natin ngayon dito is when a new lead is added from Facebook, create a task for the VA to follow up tomorrow. Actually, the VA does not need to follow up because it will be the system who will do that. So let's name the rule. Before we name the rule, we have to select the module. So, ang module natin ay lead kasi once nag-register yung mga prospective customer, it will directly go to the lead module of Zoho. So let's select leads, and then the rule name will be Facebook lead follow-up. So let's make it very easy to understand. Na pag nakita natin yung name ng workflow, we know that the workflow is really for that one. So we also have the option to put the description here if we want to. But since the rule name that we have here is very easy to understand, so we don't need to put any description. And then we have to click next. Okay. So a while ago, I mentioned about the three parts of a workflow. The first part is the trigger. So when? When do you want to execute this? Okay, so let's select record action and then create. So meaning when a lead has been created. Okay. And then the second part will be the condition. Ito yung rule natin. So we said if the lead came from Facebook. So that's a lead source. And then is, and then Facebook. And then let's hit done. And then the last part will be the action. So we want the system or Zoho to send an email notification to the prospect. So I have already created an email notification. It has the details of the event, and it will automatically send an email to the lead who registered. So let's click this and then click associate. So later on, I will teach you how to create email templates. But for now, let's learn how to create a simple workflow. And then, like what I've mentioned a while ago, you have the option to choose whether you want the email notification to be sent right away or after a few hours. But then, since we want the prospect to receive the email right away after they register, then let's put 5 minutes. And then let's click next. And then we can just save it. So now what we did is that when the lead registered via Facebook, the system or the Zoho system will automatically send an email notification to the lead. So, napakadali. And this is very easy. Aside from that, you don't need to figure out everything alone. Before, it was trial and error. But then now, since there's AI, you can just put in ChatGPT. You can say create a Zoho ZRM workflow where a new Facebook lead automatically gets a follow-up task after 5 minutes. And then AI should be able to give you the steps that you need to do for you to be able to create this workflow. All right, that's it for today. Next time, I will show you the other features of Zoho that you can use when applied, that you can use to help your client.